How to fix Amazon Fire Stick not working. Today in this short video we are going to show you how to fix any issue with your Amazon Fire Stick. We will cover three main areas. First, applications that won't work. The Fire Stick itself is naturally not working or behaving erratically, and the remote is not working. So let's get started first with applications. If you have any application that's not working, this works almost 100% of the time. Go to the settings, go down to applications, then enter your code, go down to manage installed applications. Find the application that's not working. Let's say the ABC app. Click on the ABC app, go over the force stop. Next, go down to clear cache after launch application again, either from here or you can run it from the home menu, and the application should work fine. Okay, now we are gonna cover if the Fire Stick is not working at all or working slow or erratically. Now you want to perform a reset. Hold down the select button on the Fire Stick remote and pause the play button at the same time. Hold them down about 5 seconds, then the Fire Stick will start to reboot, and when it comes back up after a minute or two, now your Fire Stick work rate. I also recommend go to settings menu, go to the network, checking your Wi-Fi or network connection. It should say single strength, at least good, also there an excellent. That would be great. If it says fair, you are usually gonna have problems watching movies or the overall behavior or the Fire Stick. So try to get better signal to avoid those network problems. There are two methods for fixing the Fire Stick remote if it's not working. If none of the buttons of your Fire Stick are not working, the first method, undo the back cover on the Fire Stick, pop out of the batteries, wait a second or two, pop the battery back in, close the Fire Stick, wait a second or two. Now your Fire Stick should start working again. If the first method did not get your Fire Stick working again, then try the second method. Press and hold the home button for at least 10 seconds. After that, release it and wait a few seconds. Now your remotes should be working again. In the unlikely event that both these methods do not fix your remote, you can try replacing both batteries in the remote with fresh ones. You can also order a new replacement remote.